Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. We out here, man, at the shop, man, hanging out with Steve-O, man. Steve-O, the champ stopped by, and he had a few words for Steve-O. He told me to tell Steve-O
that
whenever
he's still scared, goddamn, from 5 years later. Goddamn, he fight everybody but me. That's right, tell the whole motherfucking truth. So I can knock his motherfucking ass out. 55 years old right now, goddamn. I'll goddamn tie one hand behind my back and knock him the fuck out.
Okay, so you want the one hand thing then.
That's right. You can put that on YouTube.
Okay, it's on there, Steve-O. Y'all heard him. Guys, y'all heard him.
Yeah.
Steve-O said he's going to knock the champ out with one hand. Yeah. You know, I mean, that's some... Woo!
Steve-O say put the shit on YouTube.
That's tough.
Hey, backyard brawl. I'm a motherfucking champ. Undefeated champ. I ain't lost no motherfucking fights. None of my fighters goddamn lost. Goddamn, I don't do the losing shit. I do that damn winning shit. I collect that damn money.
Hey, guys. Welcome back to the channel, man. This OG Triple and the man himself, Steve-O. Today we got a 06 HHR, and you see front end work, okay, lower control arm, strut assembly, stabilizer arms, inner and outer tie rod ends, okay, for both sides, okay. I ordered it, the parts offline. You know, that's what I do. I order my stuff offline to get it a little cheaper, man. Save the customer a little money. This process is not a bad process, okay? You can probably do it at your house. And what do? This is your what they call drag link. I call stabilizer arm. You got one bolt here. You got one bolt here. You got another one down here. You got these two here. And then you have, right down in here, you have your 3 bolts for your top of your strut. You can loosen those 3 bolts for your top of your strut. That's going to loosen the top of this up. These 2 here is going to loosen this up. And then take this loose. That's out. That's free. Okay, I have a special tool for your inner tie rod end. Okay. There's a tube there. You guys need to invest in it. You see those small horseshoes? What they do is they grab the end of this. See the inner tie rod all weak? They grab the end of that, and it's a pipe that runs right. It's a pipe that runs right through this like that. Then you put the horseshoe on the end of it, put a ratchet on the end of this, and then you turn it. And then that takes this loose, okay? The lower control arms. You got a bolt here. You got a bolt there. And then you got one other bolt straight up right here. Okay? That takes your lower control arm off the frame. And then you have one more. That's your ball joint bolt right there. It's coming up through here. Right down in here. It's a ball joint. You hold it on one side to the other side, okay? That's how you take your ball joint out. And then this lower control arm will fall right out. And then once you get that to come all the way out, and you got this loose, your spindle will be free. Just lay your brake caliper over to the side, because I want to put some brakes on here as well. So Steve just laid it over to the side for me. And then you put everything back together the same way and the same method you took it apart in. Now, you see this white chalk right here. This white chalk is here because we had counted the teeth from here back to the chalk. And that's what you put on the new inner tie rod end. So that'll get you close. It won't line the vehicle perfectly up. You know, you have to go to alignment. Here where I'm at, a place called Taylor's, Greensboro Tire or something like that. You know, they'll line it up, but that'll get you close so you won't be all crooked going down the road, okay? That's what that white chalk is. You go ahead and mark that. We all mark them. You just don't see us do it. We mark it and then count the teeth. Put your bolt back there, and that'll lock this outer tie rod in. Steve went on and greased it. He greased all his fittings. That's just how we do it here at the shop, man. Okay. All right, man. And then for the boot, right here, that you have to take this boot off. It has a rubber clamp on. I always put me a tie strap right there. You know that tie strap works better than that clamp right here. Puts me a tie strap on there. I'm gonna nip that out, but put your tie strap there, and that'll keep that boot on because it fits right over this way. All right, pretty good job. Steve didn't do bad at all. So that's how you replace a lower control arm, a strut assembly, stabilizer arms, inner and outer tie rod end on a 06 HHR Chevy. If you feel that this video was helpful, man, please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give me some thumbs up, man, and share it to a friend.